There are people who are going out and falsifying, fabricating, and making up their own gifts in an attempt to try and advance their own spiritual reputation and gain for themselves in this life. And as a result, people now have come to disdain and despise the gifts of the Spirit and anyone who claims to be operating in them. And this has a dual effect. Number one, the people that are going to these individuals, are they themselves deceived? And then when they don't receive what they are claiming, there is discouragement and disbelief. And then on the other hand, you have people that because of the falsification, don't believe that God will do any of this anymore. They believe you just believe in God and then you suffer and there's nothing else. That He's no longer directly involved except for the renewing of your mind that you might have salvation. But other than that, there's no power necessarily that is being bestowed on His people today. Both of these are a great travesty and a heresy from what we see in the Scriptures. But how do we know then who is of the Lord and who is false?